Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, we have done 4 questions of exercise 12.3. Now, let's move to question number 5. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how many degrees will be temperature drop in last 10 days? So, what is the temperature dropped in the last 30 days? It is given as 15 degree Celsius. So first of all we will write the given things. So in last 30 days temperature dropped is 15 degree Celsius. Okay. Now, so in one day what is the temperature drop? It will be 15 by 30 degree Celsius. Okay. So it will be what? 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. 1 by 2 degree Celsius. Now they are asking that what is the temperature drop in last 10 days. So if we find out for one day, if we find it out for one day, so in 10 days temperature drop will be equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by 10. It will be 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So it is 5 degree Celsius. Okay. So what I have done here, since the last 30 days the temperature drop is given to you, we find it out for one day. After that we find it out for 10 days. Okay. Now let's move to question number 6. Shane's pays 7,500 as rent for 3 months. How much does she pay for a whole year? Okay. How much does she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains the same? Okay. So Shine's pays, what is the amount for given for 3 months? In 3 months the amount is rupees 7,500. Okay. So in 1 month what is that amount she paid? In 1 month the amount is 7,500 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15, 0, 0. So it is 2,500 rupees. Okay. Now they are asking that how much does she has to pay for a whole year. So in 1 year how many months are there? Yes, it is 12 months. Okay. So the amount she paid for a whole year equals to what? 2,500 multiplied by 12. So it will be 12 5s are 66, 12 2s are 24, 24 and 6 30. 30,000 rupees. So in 3 months she paid 7,500 rupees. So in 1 month 7,500 by 3. After that we got the amount she paid in 1 month. After that we find it for the whole year. In a year there are 12 months. So after multiply by 12 we got the amount for the whole year. Okay. Now let's move to question number 7. Cost of 4 dozens of bananas is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? Okay. So what is given to us? Cost of 4 dozens of bananas. Cost of 4 dozens equals to rupees 60. Now, how many bananas are there in 1 dozen? Yes, it is 12. 12 bananas. So, in 4 dozens, 12 multiplied by 4 bananas are there, means 48. 48 bananas. Okay. Now, the cost of 48 bananas equals to rupees 60. Okay. So, in 1 rupee, how many bananas we can purchase? 48 by 60 bananas. We can cancel it out by 4. 12. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are means 4 by 5 bananas we can purchase for 1 rupees. Okay. Now, they are asking that how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50. Now, we find it out for 1 rupee. So, we can find for 12.50 rupees by multiplying by 4 by 5. So, for 12.50 rupees, one can purchase 4 by 5 multiplied by 12.50. Okay. So, it will be 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. It will be 10.0 means 10 bananas. There is one digit after the decimal. Okay. So, we can put point here. So, we got the answer as 10 bananas. So, what I have done here, since the cost of 4 dozens of bananas are given, means 48 bananas, we can purchase it for rupees 60. Okay, we find it out for 1 rupees because we have to find out the number of bananas for 12.50 rupees. So, after multiply it by 12.50, we got the 10 bananas as a answer. Okay. Now, let's move to question number 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. So, Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150. Okay. So, 1 pen will cost 150 by 10. So, it will be rupees 15. Now, Manish purchases 7 pens for rupees 84. So, 1 pen, the cost of 1 pen for him will be 84 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are means rupees 12. So, the question says that can you say who got the pen cheaper? So, as you can see that 12 is less than 15 means Manish purchased the pen cheaper. Okay. So, this will be your answer. Now, the question number 11 is similar to question number 10. So, solve by yourself. This will be your homework. Okay. So, that's all for today. We have finished exercise and as well as chapter. So, solve all these questions in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you.